If you're looking to clean up your browsing experience and block annoying or intrusive ads, here are some of the top ad blocking extensions for Google Chrome. Plus what makes each one great, depending on your needs. First on the list is uBlock Origin. It's a super lightweight, open-source ad blocker that's well loved for its strong performance and low impact on memory. You can customize its filter lists, which means you can fine-tune exactly what kinds of ads or trackers you want to block. If you want something that's both powerful and user-friendly, AdGuard is a fantastic choice. It not only blocks ads and pop-ups, but also blocks trackers and phishing attempts. Its filter lists are very customizable, so you can whitelist sites you want to support, or go full ad-free mode. And because it's optimized for speed, it won't slow down your browser much. For users who are especially focused on privacy, Ghostery is a solid pick. Ghostery is designed to block trackers and ads while giving you transparency. You can actually see how many trackers are being blocked and which ones they are. The interface is clean, making it easy to enable or disable what you want. Another privacy-first tool is Privacy Badger, made by the Electronic Frontier Foundation, (EF). Instead of relying entirely on filter lists, it learns as you browse, automatically blocking domains that follow you around the web without user consent. Over time, it becomes pretty smart at identifying the worst tracking behavior. If you're after a no-frills blocker that aims to block all ads, AdBlock Ultimate is a great choice. It doesn't do the acceptable ads policy that some blockers let through. You get a truly ad-free experience if you want it. For those who mostly get annoyed by pop-ups, overlays, and sneaky ad windows, Popper Blocker is purpose-built for that. It specializes in catching pop-up ads and lightbox overlays that other blockers might miss. Each of these ad blockers offers a slightly different mix of power, privacy, and customization. Depending on what you value most, whether it's minimal memory usage, maximum privacy, or removing every single ad, one of these should be a good fit. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tool recommendations and tips.